Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are gonna see how to change email profile picture on Android. So let's head over to our Gmail. So once you are there, just head over to your profile and go to this profile photo, and it may take some time to load, to upload, or to see your profile picture. So check your network connection. And once you are there, just tap on add profile picture. And from here, select any picture you want. You can get picture from Google, and this you can also take a picture from your device and then select any picture. And then I'm selecting this one. So as you can see, it's getting uploaded. So once it's done, you will see the profile picture is set on your Google account. Hope this video helped you out, and we'll see you in the next one.